Okay, here we have the first alert, model SFA2700. This is an atomic radio-controlled dual alarm clock weather station with wireless sensor. Wireless weather station with 3-day forecast, 24, 48, and 72 hours. Amber backlight display, which I think is really nice. Weather symbols are sunny, slightly cloudy, cloudy, rainy, and stormy. It gives indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity, dual alarm and snooze, weekday with 5 language options, remote sensor included, as you can see. It also has touch illuminated keys. Second hand shown here. This is a radio controlled clock, and what I really like about this clock is it comes right off the stand magnetically. If you like, you can take it around or you can hang it right on the wall. Very convenient.